Samsung has recently made waves in the tech world with exciting news that sheds light on its ambitious strategy for 2025. As the smartphone industry reaches a crucial juncture, the coming year will be pivotal for Samsung, which has publicly acknowledged a lack of innovation in its recent releases. In response, the company is promising a significant transformation in its approach, signaling a possible return to the aggressive, forward-thinking mindset reminiscent of 2019. At the core of this renewed strategy is the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Samsung is set to focus heavily on performance by equipping all models with the latest and more expensive Snapdragon AG Gen 4 chip. This change is a notable departure from the Exynos processors that have been a staple in Samsung's lineup for years. Even the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition will feature the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimond SD9400 chip, marking the end of the Exynos era. This commitment to using top-tier processors reflects Samsung's dedication to enhancing both processing power and video performance across the S25 lineup. In terms of sales projections, Samsung has set ambitious targets, aiming to produce around 22 million Galaxy S25 units by mid-2025. Among these, the S25 Ultra is expected to account for approximately 11 million units, indicating that Samsung is placing a heavy bet on this flagship model once again. Recently finalized design details for the Galaxy S25 Ultra reveal that its camera lenses may resemble those found on the Galaxy Z46, according to information from OnLeaks. This design direction aligns with the aesthetics seen in the Galaxy Tab S10 series and the special edition of the Galaxy Z46, showcasing Samsung's commitment to maintaining a cohesive design language. However, despite the impressive features of the S25 series, industry experts believe that merely enhancing hardware specifications will not be enough for Samsung to reclaim its position at the forefront of the smartphone market in 2025. To truly make an impact, the company must take bold risks. One of the most exciting developments that could redefine Samsung's smartphone lineup is the rumored launch of a rollable flagship device with a massive 12.4-inch display. Reports from South Korean media suggest that this innovative phone will feature an under-display camera, which could represent a groundbreaking advancement in smartphone technology. As competition intensifies, with brands like Huawei launching tri-folding phones and the Honor Magic V3 challenging Samsung's design and functionality, the company must deliver revolutionary products to regain its edge. Alongside the rollable phone, Samsung is also preparing a limited special edition of the Galaxy Z46, boasting a 200-megapixel camera, a wider outer screen, and a slimmer profile. In summary, as Samsung gears up for 2025, it is positioned to launch its most powerful Galaxy S flagships to date, with no compromises on processing capabilities. With significant enhancements in video performance and improvements in user experience through One UI 7.1, Samsung is set on replicating the success it enjoyed in 2019 and ushering in a new era of innovation. What are your thoughts on Samsung's upcoming plans? Share your opinions in the comments.